Click on the link below to get price. The EUYBIKE Electric Bike for adults stands out with its robust features and performance, making it an excellent choice for both casual riders and enthusiasts. One of the first things to notice is the impressive 1450W motor, which provides ample power for tackling various terrains. The bike reaches speeds up to 35 miles per hour, making it one of the more powerful options in its class. Whether you're commuting, exploring trails, or enjoying leisurely rides, the bike delivers an exhilarating experience. The 20x4 fat tires are an essential highlight, offering exceptional stability and traction. These tires excel in different conditions, from pavement to gravel, ensuring a smooth ride regardless of the surface. Riders can confidently navigate through challenging terrains, making it ideal for adventures or daily commutes in urban settings. Battery life is another significant advantage, as the EUYBIKE comes equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that provides impressive range. Depending on the mode of use, pedal assist or throttle only, riders can expect anywhere from 30 to 60 miles on a single charge. This flexibility is invaluable for those who need reliability for longer trips or daily commutes. The bike's design is user-friendly, with an adjustable seat and handlebars that cater to various rider heights. The LCD display is easy to read and provides essential information such as speed, distance, and battery status, enhancing the overall riding experience. Additionally, the bike features front and rear disc brakes, ensuring quick and efficient stopping power, which is crucial for safety. Assembly is straightforward, and the quality of materials used is commendable, giving a sense of durability that is often lacking in electric bikes. Overall, the EUYBIKE Electric Bike is a powerful, versatile, and well-designed option that delivers on its promises. For anyone looking for an electric bike that combines speed, durability, and comfort, this model is worth considering. It offers exceptional value, proving to be a solid investment for both recreational and practical use.